once you have your template printed out on paper, you're going to cut along all the solid lines until you get the piece out. There are other lines printed onto the paper, but you're not going to cut those. You only cut the solid lines. Some of the solid lines do come toward the interior. They might form part of the eye or something in the mask. So be very careful when you cut those. It's easy to make a mistake. So you cut along only the solid lines, leaving all the others alone, and then you'll have a piece cut out with all those lines on it. The thing is that you need to do next is that's going to be folded, into the mask, but you can't do that yet. Before you do that, you'll have your flat piece like this, and it's not that easy to fold along the lines. So what we do is we score it before folding it. That means you're just going to trace along the lines. Some of the lines are different. You could see how some of these lines are these small, tiny dashes that are all the same, and then others are long dash with a little dot in between it. Long dash with a little dot. So these are different. So once we draw a line over both of them, they'll look the same, and we won't know which way to fold it. So what you have to do is before you score it, you mark these lines, the ones with the long dashes, mark them so they look different. Don't mark the others, okay? Just mark those. And now, when you're going to score it, you line up your ruler nice and straight, go back and forth once or twice. You're pushing down pretty hard as you do it, and that's it. Then you just turn, trace along the line. Now you can see what's going to happen is it's going to be really easy to fold. It's going to make a nice sharp fold along that line. Okay, and so you're going to do that all the way around with a ruler. Make sure you use a ruler to do it. Sometimes I take the point, I actually touch it to the line first. Then I push the ruler up to it, so I know it's going to be right on the line. And then you can go up, down, like that, and just move it around. And then when you're done, you can fold it like this, but you don't have to do the pre-folding. You could just be finished at that point. And that's it.